Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of crafty activities that would be full of fun. And first we are going to make a butterfly. For this you may require empty toilet paper roll. Then you just have to decorate it with some colorful sheets and don't forget to make the wings. This activity is so simple. Next, we are going to show you how we can create a honey bee that too out of some colorful sheet of the paper. This activity is full of fun. It's best suitable for the small kids. It's very less time consuming. Just give it a try. Just decorate the background. Next, let's try to make a turtle out of just few easy simple steps. For this, you may require some green full sheet of the paper. Then you just have to cut it in circular shape and you just have to make the body of this turtle and the shell. And you are going to add more features like the eyes and the legs. This is so cool. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a penguin. For this, I'm taking this black sheet of the paper and I'm going to make the beak using the yellow sheet. Then you just have to make the body of this penguin. For this, I'm again taking the black sheet of the paper. White one is also used because the penguins are black and white in color. You may require glue stick for this one. This activity is very simple and best suitable for the small kids. For making the feet of the penguin, I'm going to make use of the orange sheet of the paper. It will look so nice and cool. Just give it a try. See how perfect it looks. Thank you.